Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to draw a juicy tangy fruit. Yes, I am going to draw the plum. So let's start. Plum is very juicy and also tangy in flavor. I like plum very much. And what about you? Start drawing. Okay. Plum fruit is very healthy. Also, it contains a lot of vitamin C, which is very essential nutrient for all of us. So we should eat plums. Okay, now we'll draw the stem and the leaf. And it's done. Now we'll start coloring it. Okay, I'm using the marker pens to color it. Plums are of deep red color, so I'm doing that color here. Just color it. Okay, now we'll color the leaf with dark green color. Look how beautiful it is. We'll draw the face. To make it more cute. So friends, our plum drawing is complete. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.